Can you solve this Edexcel differentiation question? Take a look at the question. The curve C has an equation y is equal to 3x to the power of 2 minus 8x cubed minus 3. Find dy over dx and the second differentiation. Let's just start writing to it. dy over dx. What does that equal to? Well, we have some simple equations here. We remove 1 from the power and times it by. How does that look like? That's going to be 3 times 4, 12, x to the power of 3, minus 8 times 3, 24, x to the power of 2. What about minus 3? Well, it's a constant, it's not going to have a differentiation. We also have to find the second order differentiation. So what are we going to do? Take another differentiation of this one. So that is going to be 36. Let's first write this as well. 36 x to the power of 2 minus 48x. Part B says verify that C has a stationary point when x is equal to 2. What is a stationary point? A stationary point is the graph has the gradient equal to 0. Its gradient is equal to 0. So it's going, and at that point, it's exactly 0. So what is that? Well, the gradient is here. The differentiation gives us the gradient. So when we plug in x equals to 2, that gives us 0, that means that's our stationary point. Let's try that. 12, 2 to the power of 3, minus 24, 2 to the power of 3, 2. You put this in the calculator and you see that equals to 0. Then you say since for x is equals to 2, dy over dx is equals to 0, that is a stationary point. Are we done? No, there's part C. You have to determine the nature of this stationary point, giving a reason for your answer. What does it mean in nature? Well, in nature means, was it increasing and then it's going to decrease later? Or was it decreasing and it's going to increase later? In other words, is this stationary point a minimum or a maximum? So this would be the case for a maximum because this is the highest y value we're going to have, whereas this would be the minimum. Of course, you have to find this. We can't just talk about it. How do we find it? You have to use the second order. So you plug in x equals to 2, the stationary point. So 36, 2 to the power of 2, minus 48 times 2. You can put this in your calculator and see what the answer you get. The answer itself doesn't really matter much. What matters is it positive or is it negative? Here, our answer is going to be positive. It's going to be bigger than 0. So, since it is positive, we can say the stationary point is it increasing or decreasing? Think about it. It's decreasing. Decreasing meaning it's a minimum. So remember, if it's positive, it's the less one. If it's negative, it's the maximum. So it is minimum. Could you do it?